Hi, Alan here, RVacrossamerica.net, and my latest post is going to be at rvacrossamerica.net/summer 2024. And I want to give you some highlights of what's in that post, but I also wanted to show you some pretty cool places. You're looking at Warm Springs Pond as I was kayaking in it, and now we're taking a look at the route to get there. Yes, there's some washboarded roads. Yes, it also does smooth out in a moment, so you're not going to get seasick watching my video. But this is only about 15 minutes away from the RV park, and I've kind of grown to like the Warm Springs Ponds. They're kind of a neat place. I'll tell you a little bit about them in a minute. The post itself, again, at rvacrossamerica.net/summer 2024, talks a little bit about the current weather. I'm recording this on August 9. Yesterday, August 8, we didn't even reach 70 degrees. We're kind of in early autumn. This morning, it's in the mid 40s, and I turned on the fireplace. It's beautiful. And in fact, the next 2 weeks look like we're going to have afternoons in the 70s and mornings in the 40s. Can't argue with that. This post also talks about a visit to Elkhorn State Park, and I'll get you a piece of that as we close out the video. I'll show you a little bit about Elkhorn. It's kind of a different ghost town. That's what the Elkhorn State Park is. And it's also near Boulder Hot Springs. So that was another side tour that I took when I was up there. In fact, I visited Boulder Hot Springs twice that day. I'm planning for renewed RV travel. And I talk about that a little bit in the post. And I give you an RV industry update. It's kind of an interesting one. It's a brief one. So you'll get an idea of what's going on in the RV industry as we speak at this moment. Give you a preview of that. It's flat on its back. And I'll elaborate on that in the post. I also have some new posts that I'm planning on. In fact, they're well in the development stage. Something about the perfect floor plan. It's kind of a provocative post. Something about private label RVs or house brand RVs. That's also coming up. And by the way, this is again is the road to Warm Springs Pond that you're watching, and we'll be turning off onto the pond that I actually went paddling on for about an hour the other morning. Um, Elkhorn State Park or Elkhorn Ghost Town is going to be the subject of a post. It's a different kind of ghost town, and I'll elaborate on that in that post. And there's a new RVing trend towards solo campers, and we'll talk about that as we get a little further into it. I do have a special request in my post, and I'd ask you to, read through and get to that special request, and maybe you could help me out. Again, the post is at rvacrossamerica.net/summer 2024. And I'm going to close with giving you a look at Elkhorn State Park. I'm going to put some music in here for the last minute or so, or a couple of minutes, and let you enjoy the rest of the drive over to Warm Springs Pond, and then to the panorama of Elkhorn State Park. And finally, thanks much. Alan here, rvacrossamerica.net/summer 2024.